Why, hello there, and welcome to a brand new episode of Horigin Files. So, this month we're going back to old school horror, and we are going over the origins of the Wolfman. So, here it is. Horigin Files, The Wolfman. Real name, Lawrence Larry Talbot. First appearance, The Wolfman, 1941. Species, werewolf. Series, Universal Monsters. Portrayed by Lon Chaney Jr. and Benicio del Toro. Created by George Wagner. The Wolfman is, well, a wolfman, a werewolf, which can either range from a wolf-like beast with the head of a wolf and the body of a man with fur all over it, or a wolf-like creature. In this mythology, the Wolfman is a wolf-like creature in the face, covered in hair. Once known as Larry Talbot, one unfortunate night he was bitten by a wolf and then, in the light of the full moon, transformed into the Wolfman, where he was a vicious animal that attacked people and hurt them. Although he was that, Talbot was actually a good human and did not want to harm anyone or have this curse, and the only way that he would be freed from this curse is by death. And of course, like in the old mythology of werewolves, is active by the light of the full moon and transforms. Although he was in his own standalone film, The Wolfman, Chaney went on to reprise his role in various other films, such as Frankenstein and the Wolfman, Abbott and Costello Meet Frankenstein, and many other Universal monster films. And throughout the years, Lon Chaney Jr. has gone on to be known for that role, and has inspired many other werewolf films throughout the decades. In 2010, the film was remade, and the character of Larry Talbot, now called Lawrence Talbot, portrayed by actor Benicio del Toro, where, again, he was attacked by a werewolf this time, and became a vicious animal, and did not want to live with that curse, and his only way out was by death. The Wolfman has gone on to be a huge inspiration throughout pop culture and different medias, and has gone on to inspire many different characters, such as other spoofs and parodies throughout the films, and appearing in many other films. Of course, the Wolfman is not the first werewolf in cinema horror, as there was many other films that was made before, such as a silent film called Werewolf, and another werewolf movie 6 years before, Werewolves of London. And the look of the Wolfman has gone on to be the basic look for cheap werewolf films, where the creature is to be anthropomorphic. Did you enjoy that? Yes, The Wolfman, one of my all-time favourite classics. And is there anything I may have missed about this, or anything like that, or is there something you didn't know about it? Do let me know down in the comments below, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and to share with your friends, and feel free to subscribe to the official Random Horror YouTube channel if you haven't already. I've been Random Ross, and this has been Horigin Files. So until next time, don't have nightmares.